Hi all, just a brief report on my latest development. So we are logging all phone events into the spreadsheet in real time. So I have a phone here that updates every 5 seconds or so. And the data we're logging first is all the info about phones, so you are more easily, you can distinguish among them. Of course, you separate devices with those sheets naturally. Then you have the whether SIM is ready, what operator you're on, whether airplane mode is on or off, your GSM cell tower information, which is also a position if your location is off, whether your Bluetooth is on, Wi-Fi is on, screen is on, screen timeout, 1800 is 30 minutes, brightness of the screen, whether the phone is locked or not, your battery level, which is very practical for all sorts of automation, for you to remind yourself that you need to, that your phone is about to die. Then this one is crazy, room brightness. This is actually on all the time, even if the phone is locked. And how does it work? Actually, the front camera on the phone has an additional chip in, and this chip is called a proximity sensor, and basically it has a super small camera inside the camera, and this super small camera only has 1 pixel, and the only thing it detects is how bright it is. So let's do something. Right now I will put some paper over the phone, and let's see the room brightness level change. It went from 8000 to 1000 and now to 60 because I really pressed the paper down. So now it's dark, and with that I know that phone is in a dark room. I'm gonna put it off now. Let's see how fast it updates. Not yet. Okay, there's some delay. And it's bright again. So this one is insane, and it's always on, and it really uses low energy. I'm trying to do the same thing with the microphone, because microphone also has the similar, let's call it, additional analog to digital converter that is used for displaying the loudness. You don't use the whole data set that the microphone gives you when you're writing applications for recording, for example. You just use the loudness attribute, and this loudness is just a number from 0 to 255, and it has the same thing. So I'm trying to get that number also in this spreadsheet to monitor how loud it is in the environment. Then of course we have some CPU data. We could get a lot of that info, but I still don't know how exactly to use it. Last photo that was opened on the phone or saved, how much free working memory I have, and then this one is also insane. Whatever was latest copied to the clipboard on this device. So for example, right now I'll go to my phone and I will type something. I will type weather because it was the previous thing that I did type here. I will copy it. Copy. Now we will see this field update. The latest clipboard thing is weather now. And what I've done, I have connected the clipboard of all my devices, Linux, Android, Chromebook, Chrome OS, now I'm setting up Gallium, and I actually have a common clipboard with a common history, and of course you can attach any sort of AI on it, and it's great for typing. For example, if I get a message on WhatsApp and somebody wants some support or wants some guidelines on how to work, I don't type on the phone. I just go to my computer and open any sort of empty place to type, and right now I can just paste the weather because previously I copied it from some device. Now if I change this and copy this, now I will go to my phone and paste this, and well, you can see that, but yeah, okay. I will put now some numbers inside of this string, and copy it again, and I will just paste it here again. You see, I put it just so you get a common clipboard, which is a really intelligent thing, much better than having, for example, a Bluetooth keyboard for your phone because you don't like typing. I mean, you just need one keyboard in your life, really. And what I do is I buy a really cheap Chromebook with a really fast Google Voice API, because these new cloud-ready devices have Google Speech APIs integrated into kernel, so you get a laptop for like 100 euros and it works, I'm not lying, like 5 times faster than the fastest Mac you've ever seen, because it's just better architecture, and you just use that for data entry. This one's really cute. I mean, I really like this shared clipboard automation. Then, of course, GPS position, no, GPS first, just status, then position, where you are, accuracy, altitude. Like currently, I'm really close to the sea right now, but I'm not 5 meters below sea, so it's a little bit fail, Google. This one is practical speed. Whenever your speed is above, this is in meters per second, like about, I don't know, 10 meters per second, you're probably in a car. About 3 meters per second, you're probably on a bike. This one is a great value. And of course, the Google Maps link that allows you to use the Google Maps API, which is awesome. I mean, for checking traffic, for stuff like that. I mean, Google Maps API is evolving so fast that this is insane. I mean, I just can't follow it. And okay, how do you use all those things now? I mean, once you have things in Sheets, the most practical way is to use any sort of cloud AI platform. This one is the easiest by far. I teach it to most of my students, Integroma.com, and you just basically watch rows or watch a specific cell, and then you can automate anything, or your Android, you can update tasks, update calendar, or you can play more with more advanced stuff with those GPS tools and Google Maps tools, which is really awesome. So right now I'm doing the big upgrade of this setup, and I'm trying to start logging the cat log. So basically the whole verbose log of Linux. So basically anything that is possible to see in a phone or in a device, I'm putting it to cloud to see what kind of smart automation I can do for some smart grid of devices that would act like agents, actually. So it's a multi-grid agency, let's say. Okay, I just wanted to brag about it. Have fun. Bye-bye.